Fal.ai claims to be a game changer in AI model hosting, but does it really deliver on that promise? If you're looking for a reliable platform to manage your AI models, stick around as we dive deep into what Fal.ai has to offer. So, what exactly is Fal.ai? At its core, it's a hosting platform designed for AI models, aiming to simplify the deployment, scaling, and management of your AI projects. The interface is surprisingly user-friendly, which is a plus for both beginners and seasoned developers. You can upload your models and manage them through an intuitive dashboard, making it feel accessible right from the get-go. One standout feature is its ability to handle multiple model types, which could be a huge advantage if you're working with diverse AI applications. However, I did notice a lack of detailed documentation on certain functionalities, which might leave some users scratching their heads, especially if they hit a snag. The intended audience seems to be developers and data scientists looking for a hassle-free way to work with AI models. But I wonder if it truly meets the needs of those looking for more advanced customization options. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the positive side, the user-friendly interface and multi-model support are definitely strong points. It's easy to get started, which is great for newcomers. However, there are some notable drawbacks. The lack of comprehensive documentation can be frustrating, especially for those who run into issues. Additionally, while the pricing structure is competitive, it's not entirely clear what you get at each tier, which might lead to unexpected costs down the line. For those who need extensive customization or advanced features, Fal.ai may not fully meet your expectations, while beginners or small teams might find it quite suitable. In conclusion, Fal.ai is worth considering if you're a beginner or part of a small team, looking for an easy way to host AI models. However, if you need more advanced features or clearer pricing, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it has potential, but some transparency would go a long way in building trust.